What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will explain you what are if statements. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
First of all, we'll create a function div. We will name the same as previous function, but now we'll pass a value, not a list. We'll pass a value, simply name value. What this function basically does, if it takes a dictionary or a list, it will not only take just list like in our previous videos. If type of value equals to dict, what does this line is, if type of value, it means if the value is dictionary, then the block of statement under this if statement will run. Let me show you. Average, averages, averages equals to some values dot values. You know what are these values means here. If you don't know, you can ask me below in the comment box. Divided by len values. I think so. Okay, we forget to put here a colon. Now else, if the value is equals to dictionary, if the value is a dictionary, then this statement will run. Else averages equals to sum of value divided by len of values. Then we simply return averages averages. Let's dex equals to this is marks of the students. Let's say Mary got 78 and Rahul got 88. One more. Elazar got 99. And let's create one list here equals to 56, 78, 88, etc. Now if you print our dicts, sorry, clear python2.py, what happened? Yeah, it's not dict, it's dicts. Now let me print that again. Oh, what happened? Okay guys, sorry for the error. Here we left to put the parentheses. before this slash we have to put these parentheses for these values. Now if you print it, you will get the dictionary average, and if you print this, you will get the average of this. But if you don't put this, and try to, let's say what happened now, you will get an error. So you have to specify what type of data you are running in this if block or else block. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask below, and meet you in the next tutorial. Thank you.